Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to give you 8 latest defense updates. Number 1, Cat Marine offers medium speed and high performance engines for the Indian Navy. Cat Marine, a subsidiary of Caterpillar Marine, has announced that it is offering its medium speed and high performance engines tailored exclusively for the Indian Navy and Coast Guard. The company says that its engines are well positioned to meet the Indian Navy's specifications, ranging from 3 megawatt to 10 megawatt in power. Next, Indian Army turns to MIT Chennai for drones to evacuate injured personnel. In a significant development, the Indian Army has approached the Madras Institute of Technology, that is MIT, in Chennai to develop drones capable of carrying injured or sick personnel from forward stations to base camps. This innovative approach is expected to revolutionize medical evacuation procedures, particularly in challenging the remote areas. Next, NOTAM issued by India. India has issued a notification for no-fly zone over the Bay of Bengal, indicating a possible missile test. The no-fly zone will be in effect from December 6 to 7, 2023. Next, Aritra IITM team emerges as champion in 2023 Virtual Robot X Challenge. Aritra IITM team from the Marine Autonomous Vessel Laboratory in the Department of Ocean Engineering, IIT Madras, has emerged as the champion in the 2023 Virtual Robot X VRX Challenge. The Virtual Robot X Challenge is an annual international competition that tests the autonomy and control systems of surface vessels in simulated challenging marine environment condition. Next, many leaders spoke on Israel-Hamas conflict at virtual G20 meeting held. Many leaders spoke on the state Israel-Hamas conflict at the virtual G20 meeting, with calls made for extending timely humanitarian assistance, not allowing the violence to spread, and to find a long-term solution to the Palestine issue. External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar said on Wednesday. Briefing reports on the virtual G20 meeting chaired by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Jaishankar said all 21 members, including the African Union, 9 guest countries, and 11 international organizations participated. Next, DRDO going with bigger NASM-MR missile. The DRDO has successfully conducted the second test of the NASM-MR, or Naval Anti-Ship Missile Short Range, a helicopter-launched anti-ship missile. The missile was tested from a Sea King helicopter and successfully hit its target. This is a significant milestone for India's defense program. Next, award-winning electric aerobatic aircraft design. In a joint effort, Prasenjit Das, an assistant professor at the Department of Physical Science, Indian Institute in Science Education and Research in Mohali, Professor Pradyut Das, a former professor of mechanical engineering at IIT Kanpur, have achieved success with the design of the D9 Hawkmoth. This electric aerobatic aircraft secured the top spot in the Royal Aeronautical Society's Aircraft Design Contest 2023. Next, Lockheed teases Tailless NGAD fighter design in new ad. Lockheed Martin's Skunk Works has released a new ad that teases a tailless design for its next generation air dominance fighter jet. The ad, which was released on November 21st, shows a fighter jet with a diamond-shaped wing platform and no tail. The aircraft also has two bulges on the upper fuselage, which are likely housing the engines. Thank you.